Okay, guys, this is just simplifying a rational expression from the review. Now, if you look, you might notice that you could combine like terms here um, and then factor it in a different way. Um, I'm not going to do that just because you guys, I think, need some practice with grouping. So I'm going to group these, but if you want to combine like terms, if you see that first, that's fine. So with grouping, we look at the first two and look at the last two, and we're going to do a GCF of each one. So with the first group, we can take out an x, and that leaves me with x plus 5. We have this minus sign in the middle, and then they have a 2 in common for the second group. Now, we're taking out a negative 2 because of that minus, so that leaves me with an x, but then negative 10 divided by negative 2 is a positive 5. Okay, and you notice again that what's in parentheses matches. So that leaves me with x plus 5 if we pull that out of both, and then we have what's left is x minus 2. Do the same thing on the bottom. First group, take out an x, we have x plus 5. The second group, we can take out minus 2. Okay, guys, this was copied wrong a little bit off of the review, so I need to fix this. So where this says plus 5x, that should actually say minus 3x for this to work correctly. So let's redo this step. Okay, so we're grouping these two. I'm going to factor out an x, and that leaves me with x minus 3. And then this was a 2x. So in the second group, we have this minus outside, and they have a 2 in common. Okay, again, this means we're taking out a negative 2. So it leaves me with the x, and then 6 divided by negative 2 is a negative 3. Okay, again, what's in parentheses matches, so we're going to pull that out, x minus 3. And what we have left is x minus 2. All right, once you factor in simplifying a rational expression, we're going to cancel what they have in common, so we can cancel this x minus 2. And what that leaves us with is x plus 5 over x minus 3. Now, I can't remember if I've said this in another video or not, but when you're canceling, you have to remember that you can only cancel factors. What that means is things that are multiplied together. I can cancel these because they're multiplied with this first set of parentheses. You cannot cancel these x's here because they're attached to this 5 and 3 with the plus and minus. I say that when they have plus or minus between them, they're married, so they're stuck together, you can't cancel them out. So we can't cancel that x, so we would have to leave it like this. If they're multiplied together like this first set is, I said those are dating, so of course we can split those up. So I know that sounds silly, but hopefully it'll help you remember. So this right here is our final answer for this problem.